So I said you should rename this tag uh, I'm renaming it as start PB. All right, and the idea is that we want to add a stop push button to this program, so that one will serve as start, the other will serve as what? As stop. Okay, so um I have decided to use this. So I10.1. So let me name my tag. That will be stop PB. Okay, so I will compile my program and then I will download it to my PLC. So I decide to use normally close instruction for my stop push button. What is the implication of that? What does it mean? You normally open. Okay. All right. So it shows that I'm using a normally open device. So which is why I've decided to use the normally close instruction to break the signal of the Q4.0. So this way, if you press your button, start button, the lamp will come on, and then when you press your stop button, the lamp will go off. So let's experiment this by downloading to our PLC. Okay, start search, load. Yes. Okay, I've downloaded to my PLC. Let me monitor.
So I want to start I want to on my lamp. So as you can see, pressing the push button, the lamp is on. But because it's not a retentive contact, I have to hold on to it for it to remain on. Are we together? So now let's see. By activating my stop button as well, let's see if it's going to go off. It went off, right? We have seen how the start and stop will work. The next step here is you will notice that by pressing our start button, we have to hold on to it for the signal to be continuous. Okay, we have to hold on to it for the signal to be continuous. Now, our next step in programming is to ensure that we only have to press the button once, and then the lamp will remain on. So that will be our next line of action. But before then,